Esos están juntos. Pero no se dan uno, no se quieren. Ahí va a poner a poner o ella. Thank you. Mira, corriendo.
Bird watching. Bird watching.
Linda, ¿no lo viste? Uno que está aquí envallado hablando sola y todo. Que tensa. Ay, a mí me importa.
Caught you off guard. Caught you on candid camera. Ma, why are you closing your eyes? Why? What's wrong, lady?
Maya, era un amiguito.
Guys, look, there she goes, guys. She played hooky from her school today.
Yeah.
She didn't go, being something else, guys. Talk to her, please. Leave messages and tell me and let her know that she needs to go to her school to be with her friends and to socialize and do activities. And that's why I tell her that she got to get out the house every day. But that's easier said than done, guys. Because this little lady has an attitude. And I can. I try to, but I don't want to force her because she has her own will. But it's good to go out and socialize and be amongst her friends. If you guys agree, leave a comment. Let her know that yes or no. Is it good for her to get out and socialize and be with her friends? Or is it better for her to just sit home doing nothing all day long and letting her mind go back and back and back and back and back? Thank you very much, guys. We love you. And we wish you the best. Look at her, guys. She's acting all shy. This lady, y'all seen her in her previous videos where she's dancing and shaking her butt. So y'all know she ain't shy. Shy girl. Shy. Uh-oh, somebody's calling me.